Ukhrul Central School takes over management of Sentinel College, Ukhrul. In a major development in the education sector of Ukhrul district, Sentinel College has officially come under the management of Ukhrul Central School. Ukhrul, following a formal handing and taking over ceremony held on June 2, 2026. Under the new management arrangement, Mr. Mavatni Kasar, formerly Vice Principal of Sentinel College, has been appointed as the Principal of Sentinel College. Mrs. Tingyorin Hongyo, who will continue to serve as the headmistress of Ukhrul Central School, has also assumed the additional responsibility of Academic Dean of Sentinel College. Meanwhile, Mr. L. Robert Mate, principal of Ukhrul Central School, will continue in his present role while also taking charge as the managing director of Sentinel College. The newly constituted management has announced that admissions for the 2026 to 27 academic session are currently open. Classes for higher secondary class 11 and 12 in the arts, commerce, and science streams are scheduled to commence on June 30, 2026, Tuesday. According to the management, the transition is aimed at strengthening the academic environment of Sentinel College and enhancing educational opportunities for students. The institution plans to focus on academic excellence, quality teaching, character development, career guidance, and holistic learning. In addition to its academic programs, Sentinel College will continue to provide various scholarship and sponsorship opportunities for deserving students, including support for economically disadvantaged learners. Education stakeholders and well-wishers have welcomed the move, expressing hope that the collaboration between Ukhrul Central School and Sentinel College will usher in a new era of growth, innovation, and academic achievement for students in Ukhrul and neighboring districts. Prospective students and parents seeking admission or further information may visit the college campus at Community Circle, Pungletang, Ukhrul. For inquiries regarding admission and academic programs, they may contact 8259967281 or 8731883318 or 708570390 or 82590743005. Reaffirming its commitment to quality education, the new management stated that it remains dedicated to nurturing future leaders through its guiding motto: knowledge wins, character builds, excellence leads.